Denbighshire Housing is here to help. With all the changes to benefits, we are here to help you understand and make your application so you get all the help you are entitled to. How can we help you help yourselves?
With a number of our tenants already claiming universal credit, I thought I'd let you know how we can help you. We can help you get online, help you complete your universal credit application, direct you to useful websites for more information and budgeting tools, including the Universal Credit Government's website and Citizens Advice Budget Calculator. Support you and give you examples of how to budget better for essential and non-essential things. Refer you for advice to help you get extra support like food banks, Citizens Advice Money Advice Service, mental health, drug and alcohol, etc. Be here for you to talk to.
If you think you'll struggle to plan your money, pay your rent or other bills, we are here to help. If you aren't sure what universal credit means for you, get in touch with one of our team. Contact us by phone, email or visit our website.